Storm I have ever seen. Incoming at 2 o'clock. This thing's bigger. Watch it. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Incoming miss. I'm blocking it. This is the biggest storm I have ever seen. I'll be in here for a couple minutes. I will. I'm filming this. YouTube, if you're not seeing this, you should. Because it is...
Okay, stopping. Hey.
And coming at
And
2.
more's coming. Oh, wow.
This is the epic storm of the century. I'll pause it and come right back. Like the storm is new. Stopping. And too bad it has no guts, or it would have showed its face. And rain harder than it ever rained before. I guess the rain is one really big coward.
Not really, Jacob.
Do you hear anything? Because all I hear is a kabak, like a chicken. A bark, bark.
You hear the thunder?
I'm pretty sure, yes, you are, chicken. Because you are not doing anything. You're just a one really big air chicken.
Oh, he's doing his own little film.
Ready?
Ah, okay.
I'll see. Okay, see you later, YouTube.